Hello there guys, I've got a gigantic Ego Power 56 volt 7.5 amp hour battery here. It's a BA4200. It doesn't work. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws there, and 5 on the bottom. T15 Torx, all the same fastener the whole way round, which we absolutely love. Makes our lives so much easier. Five of those. Top pulls off. The user's like a weird cells in these, but I'll show you. And 5 screws on the bottom. Sometimes the bottom's really hard to get off, so what I've found is pull that away, separate the two halves of the case a little bit, and that will start the bottom popping off there. So you can now get into it. There you go. Bottom pops off. Ooh. Corrosion. Might even be a spider living in there. There's quite a mesh area there. I think I'm going to oh, this one's actually got 18650 cells in it. Interesting. The others didn't. I've got to use my definitely not metal tool here. Obviously never ever ever stick metal inside batteries unless you're really silly. Oh, I wonder what our problem might be. Wonder if it's in this corner. I wonder. Is it perhaps going to be something around here? Ew. Ew. Leaky cells? Just corrosion? Dunno. Who could say? Let's have a look. The balance connectors are underneath all this silicon under here. So 1, 2, 3 ridiculous connections. There's our BMS up here, which it seems to control charging and discharging via the tool and the charger. So this port here communicates through the T and D ports. I think then the tool won't work if it doesn't receive that signal, and the charger won't charge if it doesn't receive or handshake or whatever it should be doing. So I'll just peel a bit of this silicon off. These batteries are all dead. I've got a whole box full of them. I'm not going to bother showing every single one, but I'll show the others. What I've been finding is that the cells are fine in all of them, and the BMSs are bad every single time. So our main pos and neg is up here. So main neg to main pos is here, showing 52 volts. If you could see the multimeter, I'm sure it will make for a better viewing experience. There you go, showing 52 volts. Our main neg is there, and if we measure to, I don't know, this one here, 27 volts, so not there. This one here, nope, 48 volts. Okay, well we'll start from this end. So, main pos to this green wire, 3.9. This one, 3.9. I'm just checking all the JSTs one after the other. 0.7 might be our problem. 3.9. 3.9, 3.9, 3.9. Jump over to the other JST because it's split. 3.9, 3.9, 3.9, 3.9, 3.9, 3.9. Yeah, like on the other battery, that red and green does not actually really go to anything. I'm not too sure where they go, that red and that green, but I don't think they're the cells, because I'm getting almost the full voltage just across between this blue here where it ends and this one where it begins. No, this one here then. I'm getting 44 volts across there anyway, so I'm not missing any cell groups. I don't think. Hope not. This is probably repairable. Cut out some 25Rs and put new ones in. However, I think that the battery management system is still messed up. I think that's the problem. I'd imagine it won't turn on again, because I've seen that with all the other ones, even with perfectly good cells, they don't work anyway. I think it's a waste of time replacing that cell. They'd be better off being returned to the manufacturer to be, you know, inspected by them, because this, I tell you, this is a box full of these things, a massive box.